This month for our product review pages we've been looking at a variety of potato planters, and here we've got 3 we've selected just for today. And so Steve, what have you got there?
Yeah, I've got an interesting pot here. This is from Greenhouse Sensation, and it's a potato growing pot. And the secret of this one is, look.
Oh,
See?
Oh, that's really clever.
don't they all fall
Very
out?
clever. So, will they? Yes, if I planted it like that, they might do. But the idea is, fill the pot, 1 potato in there, just in the bottom, fill it with compost. When it comes to harvesting, of course, you can just lift this and harvest a few tubers from around the side, and
So you don't
put the rest back, so you don't disturb the rest.
So you
Good
can
idea,
pick
that.
ongoing, can't you?
Yeah,
That's
You can
good.
take the biggest ones out, leave the little ones to grow on. So
Brilliant.
very
I like that.
Yeah, I like that.
And what have you got?
Well, this one's from Silverline, potato planting bag. And obviously it is a bag that you plant potatoes in. And for this sort of size, you'd probably put maybe a couple of potato tubers in there. You might get away with 3, but maybe 2. And the good thing about this one, it's got handles so you can sort of move it around. But it's also got a little flap on the side here that you can Velcro. And literally, you will, once it's obviously all established, and the compost will be a lot firmer then when it's planted up, you can literally pull this up and then sort of feel around for any potatoes that are ready.
Yeah, and harvest as you go.
Yeah, good one.
Yeah, it's got water holes as well.
It's got little holes at the bottom
Yeah.
for drainage, which is obviously very important.
Yeah, yeah. Well, this one is from Suttons. It's quite large. It's a vintage potato bag. Look at it, quite attractive. Canvas around the outside with a plastic inner, and it's quite bulky. And unfortunately, you can carry it, and it would probably take about four potatoes, 5 at a push. But if you're looking for quite a little bit of a bigger harvest, then that's it. And what this shows is you don't need a big bed, do you, for potatoes? You can grow them outside your door.
No, if you've got a patio, you haven't got a veg patch.
Yeah.
Very attractive too, once it's filled and all the potatoes growing, it's quite
Yeah.
attractive.
On the patio,
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to go and sow some of these early potatoes now, aren't we? Rocket.
Rocket.
Good one, like that one.
Okie dokie.